Good afternoon, Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan, and this, like most of our vehicles, is a mobility and wheelchair accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. This is a manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain, unlike the electric ramps and doors. You can see this ramp is spring assisted. I can grab it, I can pull it out using only my index finger. Very easy to do. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. It's got the plastic, hard plastic floor, easy to clean. Those back seats got room for 3 back there. Look like they've hardly ever been sat in. Very clean front seats. It comes with a free set of ratcheting tie downs. That's what those tracks are. The dash is in excellent condition. No cracks in the dash. Got steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got the radio auxiliary port, dual climate control, has rear air controls, plenty of plug-ins, cup holders galore. Got the console there in the middle, has the rear air controls back here as well. So once you get everybody secure, come back out. Again, grab the ramp. Super easy to do. And I'm telling you what, folks, these manual ramps and doors, if you can get by with one, they are the way to go. Tinted windows in the rear. Tires are fair to decent condition. They're not brand new, but they're not bald either. They have a little bit of life left on them. Overall, the body's very clean. No signs of any major dents or dings in it. A few small signs of touch-up paint down there, probably from bug guts. But overall, for a van that's 8 years old, this is super clean, super nice van. As far as the interior goes, it is also very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in the van. And I'll show you the VIN number as well. We always show the VIN number in the video, so you know that we are selling what we say we're selling. There's a lot of people out there, especially on the internet, doing some crazy things. You can see the current mile is 47,217. I got to turn the van on with the one key. We can get you an extra key at $199 per key if you like. Current mile is 47,000 and some change. We can no check engine lights, no airbag lights, no ABS, none of those on. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. I did notice on the hood, if you step back, you can hardly see them. A few small scratches. I'm not sure what that would be from. I can't even imagine. A few very small scratches here. They're not very noticeable, but that's why I make these videos. The pictures don't show this stuff. That's why you demand a video. So let me pop the hood. Underneath the hood, it has a 3.6 V6 engine. Very clean. No signs of any damage. No signs of any water damage. No signs of any leaks or anything like that. Idle smoothly. Sounds good. As I crawl underneath the van, pretty clean, no signs of any abnormal rust. I do see a little surface rust. It does look like someone's put a coat of spray on here, and that's, folks, that's not always to hide damage. That's rarely what it is. What that is generally is to protect. You want to definitely spray these vans. A lot of them are sprayed from the factory when they're converted, but I don't see anything under here that's alarming. I don't see anything that's abnormal for an 8-year-old vehicle. This all looks really good to me, and I would gladly put my mother in this van. And that's the number one mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume because it's a good price on the internet, they assume because the salesman was nice, they assume because the pictures look good that it's a good van. A lot of our competitors do not show you the undercarriage of their vehicles. There's a reason for that. A lot of them are really rusted out. The frames have holes of rust in them. All the brake lines are rusted out. Trust me, you don't want to mess with something like that. Not only is it dangerous, but it's going to be very, very costly to repair when the time comes. So demand a video. If someone's going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a mobility van, tell them to get off their behind, get out and make your video. And if they won't, well, who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? People get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive. So you know the transmission shifts smooth, the engine is strong, and whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or you come in and drive the van home, you know that we've made sure this van is highway worthy. With that being said, we're selling these vans at wholesale prices. We strongly suggest you buy an aftermarket warranty with each used vehicle. I've got the cruise control set. The steering wheel is nice and straight. It cruises nice down the highway. Windshield wipers work great. And folks, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. I would challenge you to check out their ratings. Look at our A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Look at the great ratings and reviews we have online. You know, compare us. If you're going to do business with a dealership that doesn't have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and they've got people saying some bad things about them, I'm telling you what, as you know, car shopping's hard enough. You don't want to do it with a shady dealership. When you buy from individuals, they're not regulated by the state like we are. You're taking a huge chance buying from individuals as well. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. I don't have any hidden document fees, tag fees, administrative fees. A lot of our competition have a real nice juicy price on the internet. Then they try to hide $500 in fees or $1,000 or $1,200 in fees they didn't tell you about. And if they're not going to tell you about money, if they're going to hide money from you, what are they hiding mechanically from you? What are they not telling you? When you factor in the free shipping as well that we offer that no one else does, nobody, and I mean nobody, can compete with the prices at Affordable Mobility. As I came down the ramp, I gave the van a hard brake. You noticed there was no shaking, no squeaking, no unusual vibration. Everything seems to work great. I think, you know, for many years, this van should make a very nice vehicle for you or your family or your possible business for years to come if it's taken care of. Back to the competition. We get out, we make these videos. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. Do not, and I repeat, do not trust just pictures. If someone's going to ask you to spend all that money and they won't make a video like this for you, I'd tell them to hit the road. It's very simple to make these videos. Yes, it takes a little bit of time, but if someone really wants your business and more importantly wants you to know exactly what you're getting, they'll get out there, they'll crawl underneath the van, they'll take it out and drive it so you know when it shows up to your door, this is what you're getting. My other point is I am the owner of the company. I am not a used car salesman. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. A lot of these used car salesmen, they'll be working at a lot in another month or two. They don't care if you get the truth. They don't care if you get a good deal. All they care about is that commission check. Do you want to do business with the owner of a company or do you want to do business with a used car salesman? If you want to do business with the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Try to get the owner's cell phone number at any of the big dealerships. Try to even get the general manager's cell phone number. Good luck. So, we do have financing available. To see our entire inventory, please check us out, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Again, we do have free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.